All right, starting with question 571. Bianca is trying to find the area of this rectangle right here. She already measured one side as 10 centimeters. Which other lengths could she measure to use in her area calculation? Now look, hint, we're not going to be able to use D because D is the exact same thing as the length here of 10. So there are different things she can use. I would say either C or B because if this is the length, these two are equal, which are the width. So you can kind of write out the statement I just said, but I would use either B or D. Again, if you multiply these two sides, you're missing the entire area on both sides. Zach is making cookies. We all should be scared. He doesn't have enough brown sugar, though, to make a full recipe. The full recipe calls for 2/3 cups of brown sugar. If Zach has enough brown sugar for 3/5 of the recipe, how much brown sugar does he have? So again, representing 2/3 of the recipe by drawing a diagram. So I'm going to break my rectangle into thirds. Not the greatest, but I keep using old tangy orange color, so that's not cool here. So we have 2/3. Next, again, he has only 3/5, so going the other way, we're going to show our fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to represent that as 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 9. Kind of hard to see though. What has yellow and red is the 6 right here. So you have 6, and your total would be 15. So we have 6/15 left. In order then for C to represent the mathematical operation, we did 2/3 of, which means multiply, of 3/5. We got 6/15. Oops. Which is actually divided by 3 would be 3/5. So 3/5 is your answer when we simplify it. So again, Zach has 3/5 cup of brown sugar. 573. So we got Jack and Jill. I guess they didn't go up the hill because they're plotting dots on this chart here. Jacks are the full circles. Jill's are the open circles, and they give you a nice little key right there. So again, in order to find the ordered pairs, I'm going to record Jack right here. And I'll do Jill on the other side. So looking at Jack's, Jack would have a pair at 3, 1. Because again, we always move X because X comes before Y. He also has a point at 3, 2. He also has a point at 4, 3. And he also has a point at 1, 2. Looking at Jill, so it looks like she has one at 1, 1. You probably can't see it anymore. Then looks like she has 3 points on 2, so she has one at 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Question C says give the coordinates of one more point Jill could do, so she'd have 4 in a row. So just kind of imagine this if they're playing Connect 4. She would probably want to put a point right here at 2, 4 to get her 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row to beat poor old Jack. Sorry, my bird keeps talking in the class. He isn't trained. All right. So 574, sorry here. Complete each of the following statements. If one cat then has 16 whiskers, then 7 cats would have, again, here you'll have to multiply 16 whiskers by 7 cats. 7 times 6 is 42. Carry our 4. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. So we have 112 whiskers. That's a lot of whiskers. Huh? If 3 slugs have 6 eye stalks, so think of it as this. 3 slugs have a total of 6 eyes. Then 2 slugs would have a total of 4 eyes. All right. I kind of thought of them as humans then. If 8 spiders have 64 legs, 5 spiders would have 40 legs, because I don't know why I know 8 spiders have 8 legs, but if they do, we can tell because 8 times 8 is 64. So we just have to use that 8 times 5 to get 40 legs. All right, so we have to draw generic rectangles to calculate each of the following products. Hopefully you paid attention in class and wrote the products from the board. Our copier didn't like us too much, so I'm going to rewrite them out here. Give myself some room. Does anyone here have A? Because I guess I wasn't paying attention either. Just kidding. What's A, Evelyn? $575A. Oh, so it's 34 times 91. Has anyone got B? $421 times 36. Okay. So again, kind of going old school, or new school actually. We're going to have 30 on top, 4 on the side, and then we're going to break it in half and divide it. We're going to have 90 on this side and 1 on the bottom. So first thing we're going to do is 90 times 30. I probably don't know that in my head. So I know 9 times 3 is 27. And I add my zeros, so it's 2,700. 9 times 4 is 36. Then I simply just add my 0. 30 times 1 should be easy for everyone. It's 30. Don't write 31. 4 times 1 is 4. Simply then you just have to add all those up. Usually I like to write them from greatest to least. 2,700. I'll even add my 360 plus 30 is 390, and I'll add my 4 to get 394. Save me some time. So we have 4 plus 0 is 4, 9 plus 0 is 9, 7 plus 3 is 10, carry my 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, so your answer is 3,094. Gonna need some space for the last one here. All right, last problem. We have 421 times 36. Is it 421 times 36? Okay, cool. Sorry, I erased it already. So again, I'll make my generic rectangle, break it up into 3 spots. I have 400 on top, then 20, then a simple 1, and on the side I have 30, and I have 6. 4 times 3 is 12. Add my 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, so it's 12,000. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 zeros, 600. And then 30 times 1, like our last problem, is just 30. So now I got 400 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Add my 2 zeros. 6 times 2 is 12. Add my 1 0 for 120. And 6 times 1 is 7. Okay, just making sure people are paying attention. All right, 6. Then we have to add all our numbers up. So we have 12,000 plus, I can do my 2,400 plus my 600 would give me 3,000. Then I'll add my 120 and my 36, which will give me 156. Add them all up. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus nothing is 1. So it's 15,156. So hopefully you learned something. Have a good weekend. Later.